Kayo rin ba may realization na hindi mo kailangan na magarbong party o long drive para maging special ang birthdays or any celebration? Minsan, all you need is a quiet place with nature, great food and setup, plus the people you love most. Why? Walang traffic, walang pressure maghanda, mag-asikaso ng bisita at hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng malaki para lang maramdaman na importante yung araw na sineselebrate nyo. Hi, this is Sunshine and I love sharing hidden spots dito sa Pampanga kung saan pwede nyo rin ma-experience yung mga lugar na nagugustuhan namin with the kids, be it food or travel places. For Luna's post-birthday celebration, gusto lang namin talaga ng place na tahimik, nature feels at may space for Luna just to be herself. Actually, last-minute finds namin si Hardin Bed and Breakfast sa Guagua, Pampanga. And honestly, it felt like discovering a whole new part of Pampanga na parang secret garden yung feeling. As per the management, dati siyang kiln drying warehouse ng furniture company, pero ngayon ginawa nilang cozy staycation gamit ang mga recycled at repurposed materials from the business. Yung mga pinto, hagdan, pati sofa, lahat may story. Galing sa mga lumang wood at scrap fabric mula sa factory nila. Sobrang ganda ng vibe, surrounded by big green leaves, fresh air, at parang every corner may personal touch. This accommodation can fit up to 5 guests, may 2 queen-size beds, smart TV with Netflix, at may private pool with its own deck and pocket garden and close for privacy. So tahimik talaga dito. The best thing about this staycation is pwede ka rin mag-request ng picnic merienda setup like what we did, and this is exclusive only for check-in guests. And they did the setup so perfectly for my Luna Bell. We didn't expect na ganito siya kaganda and kasarap yung food and drinks nila. Habang nagpipiknik kami, si Luna naglalaro lang, tumatawa, at ako finally nakapag-relax na rin. Kaya kung naghahanap ka rin ng same experience like what we had at Hardin Bed and Breakfast, that's super family-friendly at pet-friendly din na staycation spot in Pampanga, this might be your next weekend escape. Kasi minsan, the best way to celebrate is to slow down together with the nature and just be present with your loved ones. See you at Hardin Bed and Breakfast.